Hello students, myself Manoj Kumar, and today I am going to explain the solution of MCQ type question for unit test 3 and chapters 12 measurement of weight. And in this video we will discuss the 20 questions which is very helpful for unit test 3 and see the first questions. If 5 apples together weigh 1 kg, the weight of each apple is 5 apples together weigh is 1 kg. 1 kg, what is the weight of each apples? It means how can we solve the weight, weight of 5 apples is equal to 1 kg. It means 1000 gram. 1000 gram. And now, what is the weight of each apple? To find the weight of each apple, the of one apple is equal to 1000 divided by 5, we get the 200 gram. It means the weight of one apple will be 200 gram. Okay, boys. Now let us see question number 2. Which of the following units would you use to measure the weight of a bicycles? And we will use the unit to measure the weight of bicycles, kilograms. Okay. Now see the next question. 4 kg 50 gram is equal to gram. To convert 4 kg 50 gram into the gram, we have already discussed this type of question, but we will solve the questions once again. 4 kg, 4 kg and 50 gram. It will be changed. How can we change into this? 4 is multiplied by 1000 because 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams and then add 50 grams. Or when we solve these two type of the calculations, 4 into multiply by 1000, it makes the 4000 and plus 50 and it makes 45 is equal to 4050 gram. Okay, now in this way we can solve the questions, and in the same way we can solve the question number 4. 20 kg 7 grams. When we convert into this, 20 multiplied by 1000 and add 7 gram. When we add this, we make the 2007 gram. Very simple questions, and the answer will be second. Okay, now see the question number 5. 9 kg minus 4 kg. Very simple. 9 kg minus 4 kg. When we subtract 4 kg from 9 kg, we get the 5 kg. And now convert 2000 gram is equal to kg. To convert gram into the kg, we will divide 2000 gram by 1000 because 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So then we will divide by it 1000. Or when we divide 2000 gram by 1000, it makes the 1000 to the 2. It means 2 kg. Our answer will be 2 kg. Okay. And see the next question, question number 7. 80,800 gram. How can we change into the kg and the gram? In the simple way, we can solve this question. Count the number of digits on the left side. If 3 digits, because kilogram and gram, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams and 1000 gram has 3 zeros. Then to change into the kilogram and the gram, we will solve it by using the simple method. Count this 3 digit 1, 2 and the 3. There is the last 3 digit found 800. So it makes the and 800 grams, and the rest digit after the 800 will be 80, and or this makes the kilograms. So our answer will be 80 kg 800 gram. And in the same way we can solve the question number 8 on the 3 digit from the right side 1, 2, and the 3. So it means 909 gram will be a gram, and in gram, and base digit is a 9. So our answer will be 9 kg 909 gram. Okay. And now see the next question. Question number 9. 500 gram dot dot gram is equal to 1 kg. It means blank space. When we add 500 gram to 500 gram, it makes a 1000 grams. So our answer will be 1000 gram, and 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. Okay. So, and another method to solve this questions, 500 gram plus dot 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 blank space 1 kg. We will convert 1 kg into the gram. Yeah, 1000 grams. And now what will be the digit in this place? To solve these questions, we will subtract 500 from the 1000. Sorry, from 1000 we get the 500. So our answer will be 500. Okay. And in the same way, we can solve this question. 300 gram or 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. To fill this blank space, we will subtract 300 gram from the 1000. So our answer will be 700 gram. Okay. Now let us see question number 11. Put the correct sign less than, greater, and equal in the blank space. To compare this, we will convert into the same unit. Here is the kilogram and the gram, here is the gram. Then when we convert it into the gram totally, so it makes the 2024 gram, and now 2224 gram. Compare both these digits, we see that 2024 is lesser than 2224. Then our answer will be second. Okay. Put the correct symbols in the same way, 1 kg 500 gram and 1500 gram. And to change into the same unit, we will convert 1 kg 500 gram into the gram. When we convert into this gram, firstly we will multiply 1 by 1000 and adding 500. It makes the 1500 gram. And we see that here is the 1500 gram, and here is also 1500 gram. Both are equals. Then our answer will be third. Okay. Now let us see question number 13. A packet a packet of sweets weighs 2 kg 375 gram. Another packet weighs 1 kg 625 gram. How much do they weigh together? And how much weight together? It means we will add both these weights. So when we add both these weights, we will create two columns, kg and gram. Kg and gram, here is the 2 kg, and gram is the 375 grams. And now 1 kg, or here is the 625 grams. Now when we adding both of these columns, kilogram and the gram, we get uh, 4 kg, and here is 0 0 0. Why? 4 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. When we adding both these columns, yeah, see that when we adding both in this column, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, 0. 1 is carry over digit. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, 0. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, 9 plus 1 is equal to 0, 10 is equal to 0. 1 is carry over digit. 2 plus 1, when we adding 1 to this number, adding this addition, we get the 4. So our answer will be 4 kg. And now, how can we solve the question number 14? The question says that a bucket full of water weighs 14 kg 320 grams. The weight of empty bucket is 1 kg 685 grams. What is the weight of water in the bucket? So to solve these questions, we will subtract 1 kg 625 gram from the 14 kg 320 gram. When we subtract this, once again we will create the two columns, kg and the gram, kg and gram. So we have already discussed how can we change, how can we subtract. So here is the right 14 kg and 320 gram, and now another is the 1 kg and 685 gram. When we subtract both these solutions, both these digits, we get 12 kg 635 gram. Okay. Now let us see question number next. Question number 50. Difference between 70 kg 235 gram and 58 kg 348 gram. Difference means subtraction from subtract smaller number from the greater number. Then when we subtract 58 kg 348 gram from 70 kg 235 gram, we get the 11 kg 887 gram. You know very well about that. How can we adding? How can we subtracting of this type of the question? And in the same way, when we adding these three digits, we will create the three columns, kg and the gram, and adding both of this. Now, once again, uh, we will create kg and gram. And kg is the 1 kg, 13 kg, and the gram is here is 576. And another is the 46 kg and 695 gram, and another is the 2 kg, but here we see 80 gram. Then we will convert 80 is the 80 has a 2 digit. We will convert into the 3 digit because 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, and we will write in this way. Okay, and now it makes the 3 digit numbers. When we adding all of these numbers, we get the 62 kg 351 gram. Okay, this is the important things. How can we write this 80080? Okay. Now, question number 70. A grocer had 200 kg of sugar. He sold 50 kg 675 gram to one customer, 32 kg 750 gram to another customer. Find the weight of sugar left with him. Now, how can we solve? We will add. Firstly, we will add 15 kg 675 gram sugar plus 32 kg and 750 gram sugar. When we adding, we get these numbers. Okay, and after that, this addition, we will subtract 200 from the 200 gram. 200 kg minus this, and this, or when we get this, and what is the value of this? This value is 151 gram 575 gram. You have already know how can we solve this question, how can we add these questions, but it is a word problem question. So first we will add the weight of the sugar, and after that we will subtract these additions from the 200 kg of the sugar. And now question number 18. Sonu weighs 36 kg 200 gram, while sister Monica weighs 27 kg 765 gram. Who weighs more and by how much? So to compare these two weights, Sonu and the Monica, we see that Sonu has the greater weight. So it means Sonu has greater weight. When we subtract 27 kg 765 gram from 36 kg 200 gram, we will get 8 kg 435 gram. Okay. Now let us see question number 19 and 20. Question number 19. 9 kg 460 gram. To convert into the gram, the answer will be 9460. And a mobile phone about 100 gram, 10 gram, no. 100 gram, yes. 1 kg is no, and none of this no. So it means the weight of mobile approximately 100 gram. So that means our answer will be 100 gram. Okay. And thank you for watching my video. In the next video, we will discuss another solutions of the chapter of the 3, which is also the portion of your unit test 3. Okay. Thank you.